Hi everybody, I'm Holkan. Today I have Apple Powerbeats Pro 2 headphones and I'm going to tell you how can I easily switch between noise cancellation, transparency and both disable options in our iPhone. First we have to open settings and here we have to tap on our Apple Powerbeats Pro 2 headphones. Now we have to place our headphones in our ears. It may be difficult if you are doing this for the first time. And as you can see, now my headphones switch automatically to transparency mode, but I don't want them to do so. So we can tap on our headphones to switch between noise cancellation and transparency mode and off, as you can see. Transparency, off, or noise cancellation. And as you can see, that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.